Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open any editing application. Go to New Project. Add for photos or video according to you. Select Format 9:16 and adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Apply text layer till the first photo. Now add another text from second photo. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.